WD-40 multi-use product. Due to its incredible versatility, WD-40 multi-use product is an essential tool for any trade professional. It cleans, protects, lubricates, penetrates and displaces moisture. It uses a carbon dioxide propellant rather than a propane-butane used in a lot of aerosols, meaning it's full of usable content. So when the can says 450 ml, excluding propellant, you get 450 ml of lubricant. WD-40 multi-use product is perfect for a range of uses, such as removing dirt and grime from metal surfaces, protecting tools and equipment, and lubricating and protecting moving mechanical parts. WD-40 multi-use product can be used on a wide range of materials such as metal, wood, plastic, most rubbers and glass. It's silicone-free, meaning it's safe to use in all trade environments, so ideal for everyone from plumbers to joiners. Fast application, effective, guaranteed to save time and money. Job done.